Ciao, tutti. Giancarlo here, the director of Indie Language Center. Today, I'm going to kind of express the urge that a lot of people are having to make the best of what we have right now. And what is it that we have a lot of lately that I hear is food. A lot of people are eating a lot, so I thought maybe we could do a recipe with flair, with gusto. So let me show you. Come on. The ingredients to this dish called puttanesca. Acciughe, in Italiano, acciughe anchovies or sardines. Capers, capperi. Some prezzemolo, parsley, fresh parsley. Some Kalamata olives. In Italian we call these olive di gaeta. Some garlic, some crushed red pepper, and a bit of peeled and diced tomatoes. This bacon here was something I added. My head would be cut off if my mother saw me make this. The pancetta, as it's called in Italian. Cut this garlic, not too fine. We don't want to release all the flavor of the garlic. We're gonna add the anchovies. Bit of crushed red pepper, depending on your preferred heat level. You're gonna go gentle on the crushed red pepper. Make sure our water is boiling vigorously. Acqua bollente. Our classes that we have are all listed in indielanguagecenter.com, so you can visit, take advantage of an enormous premium discount rate. Is this odd, shooting my torso and just I think it's odd. Next ingredient, we're gonna toss the olives in and the capers. And they're pretty briny, so you may want to take down the salt level on these by rinsing them first. Spaghetti. Diced tomatoes. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. I grabbed the spaghetti too soon, so now I'm just gonna hold it in my hand. And in you go. Oh, that smells nice. Taste as you go. That's very important. One mistake I see people make with pasta, they undersalt their water, or they don't salt at all. In my grandmother's kitchen, the rule of thumb was that your water for your pasta water should taste like the ocean. You might think that's crazy. They would say the same thing about you for undersalting your water. Shame on you. Yeah, needs more salt. If you want to cut herbs, roll an herb joint. Oh, you can't see this, but I'm rolling all my parsley leaves together to make a herb burrito. In you go, dentro. Meraviglioso. One thing you can do with this, or with any recipe in any language, go to the site that has the recipe written in its native language. So if it's a Spanish recipe, try to find it in Spanish and see if you can follow it. And if you like it, you can do it enough times that you'll learn those words very well. Our sauce has been cooking for a little over 5 minutes, plus the 6 or 7 minutes it'll take to cook the pasta, and it'll be ready to go when the pasta comes out. And we can throw the pasta in. Okay, pasta's finally done. Drain the pasta in a pasta drainer. Careful not to burn yourself. Pasta water is magical. You can keep it, save it. In Italian, it's called pasta di cottura. And you can use it to do all kinds of stuff. Sorry, and back into the pasta. You know, like if it's a bit too starchy, you can use it to make vegetables. So don't throw your pasta water away. It's a sin. So you don't want to dump the whole thing into the pasta because some people don't like so much sauce. Okay. Un piatto. A plate. Una forchetta. And here it is. your spaghetti alla puttanesca.